Welcome back to another cocktail video, guys. Today we're making a variation on the classic gin martini. This is the Poet's Dream. So this cocktail first appeared in the 1949 edition of Esquire's Handbook for Hosts, but we're going to be making the version as seen on Difford's guide. And we'll see how that turns out. So we've got gin. I'm using Bombay Sapphire, kind of my all-purpose gin. We're using Dry Vermouth, and we're going to be adding some Bénédictine. So that's kind of the secret ingredient here. Other than that, it's basically a martini. Okay, so we're going to add 1 ounce of our London Dry Gin to our mixing glass. After that, we're going to be using our Dry Vermouth. I'm using Martini. 1 ounce as well. So we're going equal parts so far of our gin and Dry Vermouth. After that, we're going to go to our Bénédictine. I love this liqueur. It's a French liqueur, nice and herbal and spicy. We're going to be doing ½ ounce of Bénédictine into the mixing glass. It's going to give it a nice yellow color. After that, we're going to do 2 dashes of orange bitters. Or 3 dashes, whatever you'd like. I love dashes. I love dashes. I love bitters, so I'm always putting a bit too much. All right, that's it for the drink, guys. We're going to fill our mixing glass with some ice, give it some cubes, and we're going to crack a cube on top. Standard procedure. Okay. And let's get to stirring. This is all booze ingredients, so no need to shake. Remember, guys, James Bond is wrong. We stir our martini, we do not shake a martini. To hell with James Bond. Okay, it's a good 10-15 second stir. I mean, it's all booze, so a little bit of dilution, not gonna hurt it. Give it a good stir. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Click that bell, get notified every time we release new content. Okay, we're going to be serving this in a chilled Nick and Nora. You could also serve it in a martini glass. I mean, it is a martini after all. All right, slow pour into the glass. It's nice and clear, but it's got a yellow hint to it. That comes from the Bénédictine. For garnish, we're going to do a classic lemon peel. Don't put olives in here, please. Classic lemon peel, give it a twist, and aromatize the glass, then stick it on the rim. And there you have it. There is the Poet's Dream cocktail. So how does it taste? Well, obviously it's very much a martini. So right off the bat, you're getting the gin, you're getting the vermouth. It's very well balanced. We're doing equal parts of each. After that, we get all the various herbs and spices from the Bénédictine. This is a wonderful liqueur and a bit of sweetness too. Bénédictine is quite sweet, and that kind of lingers on the finish. It's a really good drink. Now, like I said, I used the Difford's guide version for this one. The original cocktail called for equal parts of each, so 1 ounce of all three bottles, and you just ditch the orange bitters. I actually might prefer that version, but I don't know. Well, I hope you give this one a try, guys. If you love martinis, give it a try. This is a nice twist on the classic. We'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.